We're going to take a look at what would have happened if we had saved £100 per month for the past 10 years. And we're going to compare the results from 3 separate investment vehicles. We're going to compare the returns from an interest-paying bank account or an ISA, and then we're going to compare it with buying £100 per month of pure silver bullion coins or bars. And then we'll look at comparing it with buying £100 worth of collectible, certified and graded numismatic coins. So the first vehicle is a savings account. £100 each month deposited over the past 10 years into an interest-bearing account paying an average of 3.7% interest per annum, which, believe it or not, has been the average rate of interest payable over the past 10 years. The total deposited into that account would have been £12,000, and that £12,000 will have attracted a total of £2,539 in compound interest over the 10-year period, giving us a bank balance of £14,539. Now, the problem with liquid cash sitting in a bank account is that it gets attacked and eaten away by inflation over time. For example, petrol in 2004 was 78 pence per litre. It's now £1.30 per litre. And just think what you could have bought in 2004 with £100 and look at what that same £100 will buy you today. It's considerably less. In fact, take into account the total inflation since 2004, and you would need to spend £134 in today's money to buy the same as what £100 would have bought you in 2004. So the banks have convinced us to save money in their vaults, and they will pay us 3.7% interest, while they lend it out at twice that. But that's another story. The result is this: for every £100 we have saved over the past 10 years, it's now worth £87. Next, let's assume that we had bought £100 worth of silver bullion or silver bars each month for the past 10 years. Now, silver has increased and decreased in value over the past 10 years, but overall it's 300% higher in value today than it was in 2004, and no doubt it will continue to increase in value as it has over the past 5,000 years. In 2004, we could have bought an ounce of silver for $7, whereas now an ounce of silver will cost $20. But our £100 per month for the past 10 years will still have bought us a total of 1,580 ounces of silver, which today is worth £18,965. So for every £100 that we saved over the past 10 years, we would have turned it into £156. Lastly, let's look at the return had we bought £100 worth of collectible, certified and graded MS-70 numismatic coins each month for the past 10 years. Again, the value of silver has increased, which has pushed the price of these coins up, but also, because of the collectible nature of these coins, they attract further premiums. So at the end of the 10 years, we would have collected a total of 373 coins, all of which will vary in value. However, the value of our entire collection today would be £26,440. That means for every £100 we saved, we would have turned it into £220. If you'd like to know more about collecting and investing in silver and numismatic coins, contact me. My email address is thebullionbanker@gmail.com. My mobile is 07542 110 925.